Emmy, are you ready for the highlight of your day? Go see the rose.
Oh yeah, candles burning low, lots of mistletoe, lots of snow and ice everywhere we go. Choir singing carols right outside my door. All these things and more. Oh, that's what Christmas means to me, my love. Oh yeah, yeah. And you know what I mean.
Oh, Emmy. You're ringing the doorbell and she's not coming out? I don't think she's home. Emmy, we'll come back later, okay? We'll come back later. Sorry, everyone.